Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss some problem on filtration. So let us see the problem. A rotary vacuum drum filter with 30% submergence is used to filter concentrated aqueous slurry of calcium carbonate containing 15 pounds of solid per cubic foot of water. So rotary vacuum filter is a particular type of filter which is used in filtration, which rotates and filters. So the percentage of submergence is 30% or 0.3, and it is used to filter concentrated aqueous slurry of calcium carbonate. So the part of the solid is 15 pounds of solid present in cubic foot of water. This is given to you, and the pressure drop across the filter cake is also given to you as 20 to the power of 11 mercury. Now they are saying if the filter cake contains 50% mixture, alright, then you are required to calculate the filter area required to filter 10 gallons per minute of the slurry. So they are asking you to calculate filter area when you are required to filter 10 gallons per minute of the slurry. And the filter cycle time they have also given to you as 5 minutes. Alright. Now they have also given something which is the specific cake resistance. We know the specific cake resistance alpha is given as alpha dash into delta P whole to the power of 0.26, where alpha dash they have given to be as 2.90 10 to the power of 10. So this is also given to you. Apart from that, the viscosity is also given to you, which is 6.72 10 to the power of minus 4 pound per feet second, and the density of calcium carbonate is also given, which is 168.8 pound per feet cube. Now for solving particular type of problems in filtration, especially in bioprocess engineering, you need to know the formula. If you know the formula required to solve the problem, then it becomes an easy case to solve the problem. Otherwise it will be very difficult. So in case of rotary drum filter, the required formula that you have is this one. MC by A is equal to 2 into C delta P rho n by alpha mu whole to the power of half, where MC is the production rate of the cake. Alright, A is the required area, C is the concentration of the filtrate, delta P is the pressure drop across the filtrate, rho is the density of the filtrate, alright, n is the speed of the drum, alpha is the specific cake resistance, and mu is the viscosity. Alright, so these are the meaning of the terms used in this formula. Apart from that, you need to know certain other kinds of expressions, which are MC is also given to be as C into V by T, where C, as I've already told you, is the concentration of the filtrate, V is the volume of the filtrate, T is the time. And how do you calculate C? You calculate C as C is equal to CS, where CS is the concentration of the slurry, whole divided by 1 minus MF by MC minus 1 into CS whole divided by rho. Alright, so this formula is very much important. CS is the concentration of the slurry, rho is the density of the filtrate, MF is the production rate of the filtrate, MC is the production rate of the cake. Alright, and C is the concentration of the filtrate. Now MF by MC, this fraction is taken to be as 2 for calcium carbonate. This is the standard. We take it if we have calcium carbonate, we take it as 2 in all problems. And the factor of submergence, which is here, it is given to be as 30% or 0.3, and n is the speed of the drum, which in this case is 1 by 5 into 60 per second, because the cycle time is given to be as 5 minutes. So speed of the drum is taken to be inverse of the cycle time. So to convert that minutes into seconds, so it is written as n is equal to 1 by 5 into 60 per second. So these things we should know before solving the problems. Alright, now let us see what are the data that are given to us in this problem. So alpha is given to be as 2.90 into 10 to the power of 10 into delta P whole to the power of 0.26. So how do we get the value of alpha? From here. This is already given in the question. Alright, and mu, the viscosity is also given to us as 6.7 to 10 to the power of minus 4 pound per feet second. Rho is also, we can get the value of rho as 62.3 pound per feet cube. Delta P, which is the pressure drop, is given to us as 20 whole to the power of 11 mercury. So if we convert it into FPS system, we will get 1414 pound force per feet square. And CS, which is the concentration of the slurry. Here in this case we will treat it as density of the slurry. So as you know, in case of density, we get density by dividing weight by volume. Alright, so weight of the slurry divided by the total volume will give us the value of CS. So weight of the slurry in this problem is 15. Alright, and total volume divided by total volume. So total volume means volume of the filtrate plus volume of the slurry. So volume of the filtrate is 10 gallons per minute. So if you convert 10 gallons to feet cube, you will get approximately 1 feet cube. Alright, so 1 plus, now we have to calculate the volume of the slurry. We know the weight of the slurry, which is 15. We know the density of the slurry, which is 168.8. Weight divided by the density gives you the volume of the slurry. So we know the volume of the slurry. We have found out the volume of the filtrate, which is 1. So the volume of the filtrate plus volume of the slurry gives you the total volume. When you divide this weight of the slurry with the total volume, it gives you the concentration. So CS is approximately taken as 15 pounds per feet cube for calculation. Now you need to calculate the value of this C here. Alright, you need to calculate the value of this C. You know the value of CS, you have found out. You know the value of MF by MC, which is taken to be as 2 here for calcium carbonate. You know the value of rho now. Alright, so by putting all the values, you need to find out C here. So let's find out the C first. So C here comes to be around 19.2 pound per feet cube. Alright, now you know that MC is given as C into V by T. Alright, so V is the volume of the filtrate, T is the time. So if you put the value of C in the formula for MC, then you will be able to calculate MC. So here C is put as 19.2 into 10. 10 here was 10 gallons, so you need to convert it into FPS system. So by required conversions and everything, the value of, and putting the time also, the value of MC comes out to be 0.3 pound per second. Okay, 0.3 pound per second. So in the original formula, this was your original formula. Now you have found out MC, you have found out C here, you know delta P, which was already given in the question, you know the value of rho, you know the value of N. Alright, and alpha was already given in your question, mu was already given in your question. So you know everything. From here, by substituting all the values, you can easily find out the value of A. So the value of A comes out to be approximately 82 feet square. So among the given options, you have option C is correct.